Members, welcome back. So it's Monday, December 29th. We were talking about this in the previous video, this support level at 346. It has retested it again. Now we need to pay attention. If AVGO retested 346.5 again tomorrow, I'm going to be cautious. I'm not going to buy this dip. I'm worried that we're going to break through and make lower lows. It is still proven to be bullish here as long as it can hold this level, but zooming out on this, we have to be very careful. This is very realistic looking at this level here, that if we do not hold this 346, we are going down. I don't like to buy the third retest. Support level here at 346, rejected. Rejected here, rejected here. Then it tested it once, twice. Here's the third retest today. If we do go that level again, I'm not going to buy the dip. I'm going to let it go. I want to see if we start trading within this zone of 333 up to 345. We'd be entering a new zone for me that is risky. I don't think there's good ROI potential. If you're going to trade this, you really need to watch that level at 346. It went as low as 344.69. So you have to be cautious with this. Watch this level and just pay attention if that's happening. Another stock that I wanted to just bring up to you is UNH stock. UNH stock started pulling back today. You will see that we pulled all the way back to $327 per share. This is another stock that I love to trade. I'm watching it, but we're still trading in this zone. UNH, if we can get pullbacks to this level, $320 per share, I will be interested in doing a long play on this. All right, I want to see this pull back from 327 all the way down to 322 to 320. Rejection, push back up. That's what I'll be looking. Those are the two plays that I am watching for tomorrow. Let me know in the comments section below. Are you trading anything else? Definitely interested in that. And we're starting to see gold pull back here. 418, just a small pullback, nothing crazy, but 418 back down to 5% pullback. I do believe we are starting to form a bear flag right here. You can see it developing right there. And I think that we may potentially have gold starting to slip and start making lower lows. And we will be turning into this support area very shortly, which would be around your $390 per share. That is a level that I want to be watching with gold, so let's keep that in mind. Hope this helps. Let me know in the comment section below what other stocks you're trading. Members, I appreciate you tuning in and getting access to these videos. If you're wondering what this is, I like to give weekly updates, so day by day I provide the stocks that I'm looking at. If you are interested in that, just click on the home button, click under our members, click the join, and you will get videos just like this where I start uploading my members first videos. You get early access to this. Thank you guys so much.